Hello and namaste. Over here we have something very exciting. This is the M1 MacBook Pro, something I've been waiting for a long time to get, and I ordered it on apple.com India last week, and I've been waiting, checking every day, waiting for this to come into my home. And today we're going to do an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Using my martial arts, let us slash this beautiful, amazing work of art. Wow, I am super excited. Here we go. That was pretty awesome. Whoa. This is amazing. Have a look at that, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the M1 MacBook Pro. Wow. I don't know what to say. I am pumped.
Unboxing the MacBook Pro is an enjoyable experience, to say the least. For those of you who are familiar with Apple products, you can tell they've put a lot of thought into making the packaging a simple and somewhat immersive experience. We have the manual and stickers, which most of us don't really need. The adapter is something that hasn't really changed in a while. I do like the design, but it's starting to look and feel a bit bulky. I don't know, what do you guys think? Here we have the USB-C cable, which actually feels pretty solid and premium. I'm coming from the MagSafe 2 charger, and this definitely feels better. Coming to the star of this video, the MacBook Pro, enclosed in a paper-like cover that is satisfying to remove. I know MacBooks are capable of being opened with a single hand, but the uneven surface made me a bit nervous. The MacBook Pro is instantly on upon opening the lid, leading us to the setup process, which is pretty straightforward. If you're here for the first time, please do hit that like and subscribe button. That would be really helpful.